The great migration, leaving Android for iPhone. Welcome to the Apple side, where things are smoother, shinier, and yes, just a little more lockdown. But don't worry, I've got you. Whether you want a clean official move or cable-free quick transfer, here is the guide on how to move your photos from Android to iPhone and your sanity. Option 1, the official way. If you're setting up iPhone for the first time, this is your best bet. Apple made a free app called Move to iOS specifically for this. On your iPhone, right, during setup, go to the app in data screen, right? Tab Move Data from Android, and you will see a code displayed on your iPhone. On your Android phone, install the Move to iOS app from the Play Store, right? If you want me to put a face to the name, just type Move to iOS, right? Or just type right here, Move to iOS app, right? This app. Now, open it, tap continue and agree to the terms. Enter the code displayed on your phone. Connect both phones to the same Wi-Fi, right? The phone will create a temporary Wi-Fi network if needed. Select what to transfer. Choose photos and optionally contacts, messages, videos, accounts, etc. And tap continue and wait. The transfer might take a while if you've got thousands of photos. Finish setup on your iPhone. Once done, your photos will appear in the Photos app under Albums, right, from my Android. Okay, the pros: simple, official, transfers more than just photos. The cons: only works during initial setup. If your iPhone is already set up, you will need a different method, which leads us to option 2, Google Photos, fast and cloud-based. If you already use Google Photos, just type Google Photos, right? If you have the app or the website, just on Android, make sure all your photos are backed up to Google Photos. Open the app or website, tap your profile, clicking backup complete, should show. On iPhone, install Google Photos from the App Store, sign in with the same Google account, boom, all your photos appear instantly. No cables, no drama. Works even if you've already set up your iPhone. The downside, you will view them through Google Photos unless you manually download to the native Photos app. Option 3, manual transfer via computer. This is old school but rock solid. Connect your Android to PC or Mac, copy your photos to a folder on your computer. Connect your iPhone to the same computer. Open iTunes on Windows or Finder on Mac. Sync the photos. In iTunes, click the iPhone icon, go to the Photos tab, and sync photos from. Choose the folder you copied earlier. Click Apply. Photos will sync to your iPhone. Full quality transfer, no compression. The downside, takes more time and needs a PC, right? Option 4, right, using AirDrop alternatives, no cables, no Apple ID. If both phones are in your hands and you just want a quick batch of photos moved, you can use Share It, right? Type Share It, right? Download Share It, and select your photos on Android, choose iPhone as a receiver, and accept transfer, and boom, you are done. The pros: great for small batches, no setup needed. The downside, can be slower or show ads depending on the app. Last option, iCloud Drive method. You can use cloud storage like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, right? Upload all your photos from Android to the cloud service. On iPhone, install the same app, log in, download or view your photos directly. Simple, safe, and platform agnostic. Uses cloud storage space and internet bandwidth. So if you've got huge photo library, plug both phones into power, long transfers can drain battery fast. Use Wi-Fi, not mobile data unless you're into paying. For full albums and videos, the move to iOS or computer route is best. After transfers, back everything up to iCloud Photos to stay safe in Apple's ecosystem. Bottom line, new iPhone setup, use Move to iOS app. Already set up, use Google Photos or sideload via PC. Quick transfer, use Share It or Snapdrop. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.